In the scorched heart of California's Death Valley, there is a place where the ground defies the laws of physics. It's called Racetrack Playa, a dry lakebed so flat it looks like a cracked porcelain floor. But if you look closely, you'll see something impossible. Massive boulders, some weighing over 700 pounds, trailing long, rhythmic tracks behind them in the dirt. These are the sailing stones, and for nearly a century, they were one of America's greatest geological whodunits. For decades, the mystery captivated everyone, from park rangers to paranormal investigators. People proposed wild theories. Were they moved by magnetic fields, giant dust devils, alien visitors? The strangest part was that despite the clear evidence of movement, no one had ever actually seen them move. The stones would remain stationary for years, only to suddenly wake up and migrate hundreds of feet, sometimes even turning at sharp 90-degree angles. The secret was finally cracked by a team of researchers who refused to let the desert keep its secrets. They discovered that the phenomenon requires a perfect, rare Goldilocks storm of conditions. First, the playa must fill with a thin layer of water, just deep enough to be liquid, but shallow enough to leave the rocks exposed. When the desert temperature plunges at night, a thin sheet of windowpane ice forms across the surface. This ice doesn't trap the rocks. Instead, it breaks into massive floating panels. As the morning sun melts the ice and a steady breeze kicks up across the flats, these ice sheets act like sails, catching the wind and shoving the heavy boulders across the slippery, saturated mud. The rocks aren't rolling, they are hydroplaning. It's a hauntingly beautiful sight that happens only once every few years. While the magic might have a scientific explanation, standing on the racetrack at sunset still feels like stepping onto another planet. It's a reminder that even in the most desolate corners of the United States, the Earth is still alive, moving in ways we are only just beginning to understand.